To create a mentimeter presentation from the PowerPoint presentation provided, I have already opened and saved the PowerPoint presentation of the induction module of the Cork Training Centre to my desktop. So I've gone to the www.mentimeter.com, to the website, and here you can register for a free account. This will allow you to add just 5 questions to your presentation, but it will give you the idea and the functionality that you require. So I have an account here, so I'm just going to my list of presentations. So first what I do is I create a new presentation. So this will be the Cork Training Centre orientation now, no longer an induction, and I create the presentation. This will give me a blank presentation, but I already have one created that I want to use the slides, so I shall import the existing presentation, which I have on my desktop here, called induction. Now this will take some time to actually convert, as it's a large enough presentation, so I will be pausing the presentation here for a moment. Now that the PowerPoint presentation has been brought into Mentimeter, we do unfortunately lose a few features of it, which will no longer, these are seen as photographs, and they will no longer have the bills on your bullet points. So if we wish to put in a new slide here with the question, I can go to Add Slide. I can then choose which type of question I wish to put in. So if I want a multi-choice question, I select my question here. And you can put in your choices. These are just simple. You can add as many if you like. Okay, so that guy is added. I want to move down just if I want a more open style question. And I can add a slide, and this time it's going to be an open-ended question, where we'll hear answers. So, in 3 words, of course. And you can get the answers to appear either in speech bubbles, one by one, or in a flowing grid that moves as each one is added. Now, an extra feature that is in here, because they can now type whatever they wish, it's not limited to answers. You may filter the profanities in all languages here. So it's best just to tick that box there. Okay, and another feature that I particularly like is this idea that onto the different slides you can add thumbs up, thumbs down, question, and these would be accessible then to people as they're viewing the presentation, and if they wish to click a thumbs up and say yes they agree, or they disagree, a thumbs down, or that they wish to ask a question, they can indicate it here, and you'll see a little number appear, so you'll know that they wish to ask something. So now, when you want to actually present this to the group, it's automatically saved. You can see here, you press present, and you will get a code that is then used. Just having difficulties here. There we go. So the class participants will go to on their phones or iPads or whichever to menti.com, and they will type in the code 626314, and as they do, up will come the presentation on their device. So once they're connected, you will be able to see how many people you have, and you can then go through your presentation. And once your question comes in here, people will be able to put in their answers. As people submit their answers, they'll appear instantly on the overhead. You can, depend how you wish to do this, but you can also get it to display the answers at the end. So you can continue with your presentation. In 3 words, why are you on this course? So you can, and as people answer this, you'll see their answers appear on screen. And just here on this slide, you'll see where I added. So if somebody wishes to ask a question, they can just click and you'll be made aware that they wish to ask a question. You can continue then to the end of your presentation. Once you've finished with your presentation, you can then return to your presentation and review the results. You can also download the results, or if you wish to reuse this presentation, you can reset all the results, or you can copy the presentation for use with another group. Thank you.